Vechain at the time of this recording continues to see a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side after losing a horizontal line of support above the 0.02497, flipping it back into resistance. I have also been observing a 5-wave structure to the lower side from the highs we made above the 0.034. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the Fibonacci key areas of support that we need to pay attention to and the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first focusing on what has been happening from the highs we made above the 0.34. I have been terming this initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of the second wave that got us into the minimum target area for that second wave, highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area that has now given us a rejection to the lower side in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that first wave to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave. And on so doing, the first target area that I have been paying attention to has been the Fib level 1.618. That is the Fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.024, an area that we have now fully maximized. And there's a very high chance that the low is in the formation of this wave 3, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of the wave 4 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the wave 4 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of the wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to lies between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382. And that is between the 0.02724 and the 0.02626, which is the yellow target area over here. And that means that in the next coming hours, if by any chance Vechain is able to reclaim our key area of support above the 0.025, flipping it back into support, there's a very high chance that we can easily get a bounce into this target area. And once we get the bounce, then I will be expecting Vechain to get rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of this wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the Fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01849, an area that Vechain can easily maximize in the next coming hours or maybe days. We also need to have in mind that we can also see a direct version to the lower side where we don't have to bounce into this yellow target area, and that can only play out in case we get an impulsive bounce breakdown move to the lower side, losing the significant low we made on the 31st of May. And the moment that plays out and we flip that significant low back into resistance, then I will be expecting a more direct version to the lower side, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Vechain to follow here on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.